Hello, welcome back to lesson 4 of our English grammar series for beginners with me, Caroline. Today we are going to look at something very important when we speak English, and that is the personal pronoun. Before we look at personal pronouns, if you've not watched the last 3 videos, please go and watch them. Now let's talk about personal pronouns. What are they? Let me explain. What is a personal pronoun? A personal pronoun is a word that we use to talk about a person or a thing without saying their name. It helps us not to repeat the same name many times. Let's see examples of personal pronouns. These are words like I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. I will give you some example sentences using personal pronouns. But first, let's look at an example sentence without a personal pronoun in it. Anna is my friend. Anna is kind. This sentence has Anna 2 times. Okay, there are 2 sentences, but it repeats Anna. This is not natural. I will give you another example sentence with a personal pronoun. Anna is my friend. She is kind. Now this sounds better because we use Anna 1 time and a personal pronoun. Now let's look at personal pronouns in English. The first one is I. We use I for me who is speaking. The second one is you. We use you for one person or more than one who I'm talking to. The third one is we. We use we to talk about me and the people who are with me. Another personal pronoun is they. We use they for more than one person whom we are talking about and they're not with us. Another one is he. We use he for one male who is not here with us. Another one is she. We use she for a female who is not with us. And lastly, we have it. We use it to talk about something, not a person, but one thing that is not here with us. Okay, let's see some more example sentences. First, we will start with Sarah is hungry. Sarah wants food. This doesn't sound so great. So let's add our personal pronoun to make it sound natural. Sarah is hungry. She wants food. Next, Peter likes music. Peter likes dancing. We have Peter here 2 times. Let's make it better. He likes dancing, and our personal pronoun is he. Now, let's look at common mistakes that people always make when using personal pronouns. 1. Sarah is hungry. It wants food. This is wrong because we use it for things, not a person. So the correct one should be Sarah is hungry. She wants food. So our personal pronoun for Sarah is she because Sarah is female. Another example of a common mistake is Mike and Jane are friends. Mike and Jane play together. So as you can see, we have Mike and Jane 2 times. So we should change and use a personal pronoun. Mike and Jane are friends. They play together. All right, now I think you know how to use personal pronouns. So let's do some practice. I'm gonna give you some sentences and I want you to guess the answers, the right personal pronouns. Let's go. Number 1. This is Anna. It's nice. Now, guess the answer. Great job. The personal pronoun here is she. So our sentence should be, this is Anna. She is nice. Why do we use she? Because Anna is one and female. Number 2, this is John, is tall. Well done. The answer is he. Why do we use he? We use he because John is male and one. Our last example is I have a cat, is black. That's right. Our answer is it. Why do we use it? Because we have a cat. A cat is not a person, and we use it with things that are not people and one thing. Well done! Today you have learned how to use personal pronouns. Always remember not to say the same name more than one time in a sentence. You should use personal pronouns if you want to repeat a name. If you don't understand how to use personal pronouns, don't worry. Watch the video over and over and over again. Also, you can download the PDF document provided. Keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Very soon, you'll be good at speaking English. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.